Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to process credit card payments in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're running a small business or managing finances for a larger operation, knowing how to handle credit card transactions efficiently is crucial. This guide will make the process simple and straightforward, so you can confidently manage your payments. First, open your web browser and go to the QuickBooks Online website. Once there, click on the Sign In button on the homepage. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one, but for this guide, we'll assume your account is ready. Next, select QuickBooks Online from the list of products. This will take you to the login page where you can enter your username and password, then click Continue to access your account. Once logged in, look at the left-hand menu and click on the Sales tab. This section is your hub for all transactions and invoicing needs. From here, click on Invoices to see a list of all invoices generated in your account. You'll be able to see which invoices are due, paid, or outstanding. To process a payment, find the invoice corresponding to the credit card transaction you want to handle. On the right side of the invoice, click the Receive Payment option. This opens the payment processing window, which is where you'll issue receipts, track incoming funds, and keep everything organized. In the payment window, locate the Payment Method section and select Credit Card from the drop-down menu. QuickBooks Online supports most commonly used credit cards, so your customers can pay using their preferred method. Depending on security protocols and customer profiles, you may be prompted to enter the credit card details. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Before finishing, double-check all the details. Once everything looks correct, click Save and Close at the bottom of the page. This will finalize the transaction and save all information to your QuickBooks system. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully processed a credit card payment in QuickBooks Online. Staying on top of your payments ensures smooth operations and helps maintain strong business relationships. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tutorials.